Hi, my name is Alexa Mencia, and today I'll be talking about Spacy. So what is Spacy? It is an open source library that is free for natural language processing in Python. It is useful when you have lots of text that you have to sort through. It can help you understand lots of text at once. According to Spacy.io, it can be used to build information extraction or natural language understanding systems, or to pre-process text for deep learning. There's a lot of things that you can do with Spacy. The most common tasks are tokenization, lemmatization, which I'll be showing today, part of speech tagging, entity recognition, dependency parsing, and sentence recognition. So here is an example using lemmatization that I coded. The purpose of this code is to ask the user to create a story, and then it will print the root of each word. For instance, if the user typed shared, the rooted word would be share. We will go through this line by line. So first I import Spacy, next I ask the user for the name of their story, and then I ask the user to write a story. After I create a function that will print here is your rooted story at line 9. At line 15 I have NLP equals Spacy.load parentheses ncore web sm, which just allows you to access Spacy so that it can read the string. Then I create demonstration doc and return the user input as a process doc. At line 22, I call the function name of story, which prints the user's name of the story. Lastly, I created a for loop for lemmatization, which prints the rooted word. For every token in the demonstration doc that I created, it prints out the token and the rooted word with token.lemma underscore. Here's an example. When I run this code, it starts to ask the user for the name of the story. I type in Princess Peach. Then it asks to write a story. I typed a very basic story. There once was a princess named Princess Peach. She lived in a huge castle. One day she was kidnapped by a villain named Bowser. She needed to be saved by Mario. Once I enter the story, it prints here is your rooted story. It tells you the root of every word. For instance, lived is live. It tells you that she is a pronoun. This is the continued version. Again, it tells you that she is a pronoun and the rooted of was is be. So again, Spacy can help understand large texts of data. Some ideas I have for a future project is helping people understand large texts of data such as scholarly journals, since it can be overwhelming to read so much text at once. Another idea I have is to read through a large amount of social media posts for someone trying to analyze a certain hashtag maybe, without having to read every single post. This is the end of my presentation. Thanks for watching.